Greetings science enthusiasts. Today, we are delving into the world of gases and exploring Boyle's law, a classic experiment that unlocks the secrets of gas behavior. But before we dive in, remember to gear up with your safety essentials. Let's keep this experiment as exciting as it is safe. Boyle's law states that the pressure of a gas is inversely proportional to its volume when the temperature remains constant. In simpler terms, as volume decreases, pressure increases. For this experiment, grab a syringe, a pressure gauge, and let's witness Boyle's law in action. We'll manipulate the volume and observe the corresponding changes in pressure. As we decrease the volume of the gas inside the syringe, keep a close eye on the pressure gauge. Boyle's law predicts some fascinating outcomes. Look at that. As we reduce the volume, the pressure shoots up. It's like witnessing a dance between volume and pressure, a symphony of gas molecules at play. Boyle's law provides critical insights into how gases behave under different conditions. This experiment showcases the direct relationship between volume and pressure. Gas laws, including Boyle's law, are fundamental in understanding the behavior of gases. From industrial applications to everyday occurrences, these laws are at the core of so much around us. If you found Boyle's law as fascinating as we did, hit that like button, subscribe for more scientific adventures, and drop a comment suggesting which gas law or experiment you'd like us to explore next. Until then, keep experimenting and discovering the wonders of science. See you
in next video.